hey, we're just recording telepathic banter and sound effects from old games that we're making, like Street Fighter and Mario sound effects and shit, just to see what'll come through, so that you know it's us telepathically coming through on the station 1440. You can ask us anything, and I have video proof right now that I'm sitting in my car. So that's all I'm doing, but here, I'll turn it up so you can hear it. And we'll say Rip the Jacker from Cannabis's album, like... Perfect one. I did Mario spin jumping on a enemy and shattering it into stars and dust or whatever on the game, the world, on Mario World. See, I'll try to say my name, which is Justin Time or Justin